Wreck or wealth? Tara samahan niyo ko how this wreck transformed into this cash-flowing asset. Hi, this is Catherine Florentino, your PH broker. At dahil pasukan season na naman, minamadali naming tapusin ang project namin na dorm dito sa may G. Tuason. Medyo challenging lang kasi marami pang dapat ayusin at inahabol namin ang pasukan ng mga students this August to September. Alam mo yung pressure kapag pasukan na tapos under construction pa yung dorm na tinatapos mo. Yun mismo ang sitwasyon namin ngayon. Pero kahit mahirap, tuloy-tuloy pa rin kasi we saw the opportunity. So we took the risk, step by step, at ngayon, look at it now, from a forgotten space into a vibrant dorm where every room can generate steady cash flow. Ganito ang laro sa real estate, turning problems into possibilities. So kung ikaw ang investor, would you call this a risk or a return? Kung gusto mong makita ang buong journey ng transformation na to, follow para updated ka. This is Catherine Florentino, your trusted real estate broker. Let's find your dream home or your next best investment.